40 days it was heard. None of them were there. I represented before my Lord Justice Sanjeev Banerjee. In all 40, my Lord, all orders are before the record. They could not demonstrate that they ever communicated and brought this notice to non-party, that is Lakshmi Complex, who was a plaintiff in a suit for specific performance of contract. Therefore, now the property stands purchased by me pursuant to an execution proceeding. And I am not a party to the partition suit. They have joined me as contemner along with the parties. It is brought on record that after the suit was got dismissed for default, neither the transferor nor the transferee were ever communicated with the order. The restoration application was also not brought to the notice of those parties. After 5 years, according to the contempt case, the order was passed in 2008. According to their own statement, they say that in 2013, there has been a circulation in paper about this order of status quo. The order passed by my Lord Justice Jayanta Kumar Biswas in the year 2004 got dismissed with a specific order that interim order stands vacated, which that interim order passed by my Lord Justice Jayanta Kumar Biswas in the year 2004 was vacated by my Lord Justice Maharaja Sinha, recording the suit stand dismissed, no interim order remains. After they got it restored without giving any application, none of the parties to the suit, that is contender number 1, 2, and 3, were ever present there. This is one side of the matter. If your lordship looks to the 2008 order, this was a almost order-like concept.
First of all, on 6th of May 2016, have you appeared in the content matter?
6th
of May 2016. In contempt number CC number 102 of 2014, have you entered appearance? Have you appeared before the court?
Since 2000.
What is your good name?
Mahendra Prasad Gupta. Since
his presence is there.
Correct.
Since
You are the Mahendra Prasad Gupta.
Since 2004.
So in that court, before this court, before the Honorable Justice Banerjee, you have stated that the alleged contender said that without going into any other aspect of the matter at this stage, he would apply to the appropriate court for recalling the consent order on the ground that the same was in derogation of the subsisting order of this court.
I have understood what is falling.
What has happened to this order?
I was there, my lord. I can recollect everything. This was an interim order in a contempt proceeding. Apart from this, prior to this, and
no, I am asking one question. You don't tell the story.
I am just answering.
I am asking one question. What has happened after the date of 6th May 2016?
Yes. Kindly, my lord. 1 minute. I am giving.
I am asking one question. I am not hearing you.
We filed an application in the court below. That
give the order. This order is recalled or not? You give the order.
I am just answering. My lord.
I am asking whether the 6th May 2016 order is vacated or not.
No. After this order, my lord, if my learned friend answers and I will not be allowed, then
I am asking
I am giving answer, my lord. Consequent to this, an application in the court below at Howrah Court was filed. That was a proceeding where my client got a decree.
So that is again you have made a contempt.
I'm
again you are in contempt.
My lord, kindly allow me to put, my lord, what has happened, because your lordship wants, my lord, what has happened to tell me.
I want after this 2016 order has been complied with or not.
My lord, it was complied and dismissed. They accepted the dismissal till High Court.
What?
What
dismissed?
One line I will take only.
Please come to the order dated 6th May 2016.
My lord,
please come to the how you are telling that this has been dismissed.
I am kindly allow me to tell. I will put it on affidavit.
Not affidavit. I am telling because of this only I have issued the contempt notice.
Kindly allow me to submit, my lord. Consequent to this, his lordship's desire was you go and make an application before the court below. This application was not by my client, that is Lakshmi Complex. This was by a party to the suit, that is Navratan Bajaj. My client is decree holder. He is the transferor. Therefore, an application pursuant to this was filed in Howrah Court. that was rejected on contest in presence of all parties.
What is the consent order? What was the consent order? Tell me first. What was the consent order?
Consent order of
So what you are telling the story?
this order
6th May 2016, what your undertaking was recorded, the consent order will be recorded before the appropriate court. What
Yes.
was the consent order? Show me the consent
This
order,
was-
whether that has been recalled or not.
No, this was rejected, and the
Who-
High Court.
Who has rejected?
The,
That's what I'm saying. Show the
order.
show the
Howrah Court rejected it.
show
and
me.
There were two revisional applications. I will show one line because long pending matter. I will show. I will submit.
there's nothing.
That you
One
show all these things. Where is client?
This
You show all these things in the reply. Where is your client? Yes,
one
sir.
line only I would
Is
say.
present in person.
My lord,
Because
kindly
you are not
record-
giving answer to the court
Just
query.
kindly allow me 1 minute. I am giving answer to that itself. Kindly record my statement. I will put it on affidavit, everything. And this is nothing new. All these are on record itself. Kindly allow me one
Whether the
minute.
contender is present in person.
My lord, I'm calling.
Whether
Yes,
the contender is present in person.
17 court number 14.
Whether the contender is present.
Yes.
Please bring on doc.
The recalling was
Please.
one line. I'm sorry, my lord. The High Court.
Please.
I'm sorry.
Yes. You are entered into the premises.
No, sir.
No. You will give undertaking. You will nobody will enter into the premises without the leave of the court. You will give undertaking herein now. Nobody will enter into the premises without the leave of the court. You will give undertaking. I will pass appropriate order. Whether you are ready to give undertaking?
मैंने
Yes.
May I explain?
No.
अच्छा
I'm
explain
sorry. I'm sorry.
Whether you are ready to give undertaking before this court that you will
हाँ.
not enter into the premises.
ना इंटर हम नहीं कर रहे हैं सर.
आप undertaking दे रहे हैं?
हाँ सर.
ठीक. Record and all.
So he has installed
And
one
this is
container
only
inside.
Property.
No, but
It
He will
was
not
put
enter
into
it.
sale. Nobody purchased it. And may I
The
only
collusive
Your
decree.
Lordship will pass
This is a
it one line.
please.
you take.
I have understood, my lord. Your Lordship will record one line only. Kindly, for my satisfaction, one line only. I would like to submit it. After this order, the Howrah Court rejected that application.
You bring all the things. I will
Yes,
not
yes, I
record
will
anything.
put it on record.
Put it
This
on
court
record.
affirmed it. Only this court affirmed it, and it was accepted by all parties.
You are appearing on behalf of
Yes.
the
Phone numbers 2 and
alleged
3.
content.
Three.
Alleged content number 3.
Three.
What is the name?
Sukhdev Singh.
So and so is alleged content number 3, namely Sukhdev Singh is present in person. Full stop. Learned counsel for the alleged content, Mr. MP Gupta, submits that he has not violated any order. Full stop. This court has examined the contemner in person, and he submitted that he undertakes before this court that he will not enter into the premises and he will not keep any of the materials in the premises without the order, without the leave of the court. In view of the undertaking given by the alleged contemner, the personal appearance of the alleged contemner has been dispensed with. The alleged contemner is directed to file affidavit in opposition to the an affidavit of compliance to file so cause to the contempt application within
The allegation which was made by my
within
lord, within 3 weeks, I will file.
3
it.
weeks from
One
date.
thing I would
Reply, if any, there to be filed within
3 days.
3 days thereafter. Full stop. The officer in charge of police, which police station?
Bola bhai. Malipad.
Mani Panchagora has filed a report to the learned advocate appearing for the state. Let the same be kept with the record.
State to chilo na. State was not a party.
Please,
It's your lordship directed police to inquire. Therefore, she has intervened.
you do one thing. Come here.
I'm extremely sorry. I'm extremely. Kindly excuse me.
Come here. You are in the habit of this type.
My lord, your lordship.
You are appearing before this court the first time. I am not allowing this practice here.
Anyway, in contempt 2014, I am here. my lord. I'm sorry.
2014, I was practicing.
I know, my lord, kindly excuse me. It's a long pending.
क्या बोला? File the report. Let the same be kept with the record. Let the matter appear
Your Lordship, the appearance may be dispensed with for the
Huh?
time being. The appearance of the police authorities may be
It's not
dispensed.
directed to appear in person. The appearance of the concerned police officer is dispensed.
My lord,
with.
he has given an undertaking, he will not enter, my lord, but it should be on his men and agents also. He should not let anybody else. Men and agents also, his men and agents also should not.
Lakshmi, your lordship can record anything with regard
बोला ना,
to
content
contempt
number.
in party.
Neither he nor his.
Along with he or his man agent and service.
The alleged contestant number 1, Nawaradun Bajar.
What is your contention? You
We sell the property, my lord, since the order of injunction was never communicated to me. My lord, I was in urgent need of money, my lord.
so your contention is that you have sold the property.
Yes, we have
You sold the property.
Yes. After order of injunction.
was
When-
filed after
Order was
seven.
not communicated.
Never.
Order was not communicated long.
Okay. That I will
Let
see.
them produce before this court.
That
What
was
document?
Yes.
Microphone.
This court is not driving the Shatabdi Express, sir.
Milord, I know. Therefore, Milord, I submit that this something new is coming now after a long time, which never existed earlier.
My lord, your lordship has given him 3 weeks, but kindly reduce the time, my lord, because that will take us into the vacation. If it commences to your lordship, my lord, this matter is pending. 3 weeks for an contempt
कितना
matter.
तारीख है?
2014 contempt.
Even though 2 weeks also it will go to the vacation.
Very.
According
Let the
to
matter
him,
appear on. This is a non-commercial matter
This is a non-commercial matter.
on 8th of January 2020.
The lordship wants me to file an affidavit with regard to contempt or the allegation orally made now.
Contempt application, what they have filed, you have to.
Application.
He has filed
Contempt application they have filed, you give
and
the
a supplementary
and the
affidavit.
supplement.
Those affidavits were on record.
No, my lord, it can be heard. He can be
I
heard.
will hear. Then I
Then
will hear.
Lord should hear it out.
Everything pleadings were complete.
Then I will hear.
Then, my lord, kindly hear out
Then
the
I
fact.
will hear it.
Yes, kindly hear
Your
it out.
lordship directed that order on basis of an oral submission. Whether I should respond to the
No, my lord,
order
I'm not
made
making any oral
Yes,
submission.
what
Let the contempt be heard, my lord. No affidavits are required, my lord.
an affidavit when your lordship wants it. Let this be on record. Everything what has existed.
Yes, let's call the list.
I want everything to be put on record.
No.
I appear for the different number 2, my lord. Your lordship had not kept it as to mention to fix a date, my lord, of hearing. On, my lord, this matter, my lord, was last, my lord, heard on 29th August. My lord.
You all persons tell me when you all persons will complete the pleading hearing.
Lord,
Well,
any-
the plaintiff's written notes are already on record.
The case is adjourning for the last 2 years.
my lord, any day, your lordship, my lord, we
Any day you are telling when the case is fixed,
my lord,
one or the other reason you are taking
my
the
lord,
time,
lordship,
or your bar is taking the resolution.
my lord, on 29th.
There
my
is
lord-
an order from the appellate court to dispose of.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
So
your
2
lordship
years
has
has
almost
been
concluded,
passed.
my lord. On 29th August, my lord, your lordship has kept it, my lord, for hearing of conclusion from Mr. Shuman Dottam, my lord, to make his submissions. my lord,
That's why,
concluded.
see, so how many days?
So, my lord, on 29th August, this happened, my lord. Your lordship not may fix, my lord, any day after 15th of December, my lord, we shall complete. After 15th.
How much time it will take?
Not one session, but I think one day, not.
1 day.
No, one session, not whenever you lost. One day, not the
This
whole.
one number 2, I think Malad has already made submission.
no.
Now in rejoinder,
In the rejoinder.
another 3 days.
No, not 3 days.
we have
One day.
finished
my
it.
That's why I'm
Absolutely,
telling.
Malad.
That's why I'm telling.
So now, Malad,
One is arguing, then other is coming with the reply.
Malad,
One
there's an
other is
interim
coming
order.
with the rejoinder.
Malad, there's an interim order. They're
What I
working
am doing, I am fixing a date. All the parties come with the written notes of
We are
argument.
ready, Malad.
If anything want, I will give the 15 days time, 15 minutes time to argue
Kindly,
the matter,
kindly.
and I will fix the CA.
Yes.
Right.
Malad,
That's
we are Malad, ready with the notes.
We are ready with the
Our
notes.
submission.
15 minutes may not be sufficient, my lord, but as the soonest, my lord, we'll try. My
Mr.
lord, we'll not
Datta
take.
already argued the
But I'm-
matter,
I'll
and you
inform
and
Mr.
there are 2 plaintiffs. The daily peoples have already argued the matter.
Lord, I'll inform Mr. Dottam, Lord, of your lordship's observation, Lord, but Lord, kindly don't tie up to 15 minutes, Lord, as soon as possible, Lord, we'll finish. We'll not take unnecessary time.
There is a
and we'll not-
direction from the appellate court,
Yes.
but
No, we have concluded,
One
Lord,
or the other
only
reason
last
case-
one final submission, Lord, is necessary.
Malad, there's an